talking about how to save the views for a particular item. So suppose I created an item. Now I have viewed my item, some other user has viewed that item, so we want to save that count into our Redis database as well. So first go to keys.ts and add this items by key views key. Next you have to go to services queries items, and inside create item you have to modify the create item to something like this. So here we are using pipeline, and previously we were just using redis.hset, but we have using two redis command, hset and zadd. That's why we are using pipeline, just so that it could be quicker. And in hset we are adding the items key id, and zadd we are adding items by views key. So first one parameter is 0, second is id. Next you have to go to views, create a views.ts file in services queries, and here we have written the increment view. Again we are using redis pipeline. We are incrementing the count and storing it inside we are storing it inside hash set as well as in sorted set as well. And every time there has been an increment every time there has been a view, we are incrementing the count by 1. So for now, even if you refresh that particular create item page, it would be counted as a view, but in future videos we will tackle this issue as well. And inside so first go to pages API increment item view.ts. So I have created this new file, and here we are just calling the increment view function, passing the item id and user id. And inside pages item id.tx, I have created this method increment item view and calling it inside use effect. Again, as we require the user id, that's why I am not calling it inside get server side props. So I'm passing the data id which we get in the props as well, the item id, sorry, and I'm passing the user id from local storage. Now we are not displaying this view count on our web page yet, but to check whether this has been working or not, I have downloaded this app from Redis called Redis Insight. And to when first you have to download it from this redis.com, like try Redis Insight, the best Redis GUI. Okay, just search for Redis Insight v2 and you should be able to download it. Next, as soon as you open the app, you have to fill in the details. So first you have to enter your port, and also the host name. It is same as what we have entered in our book. I can't show you my entire host name, but it will be up to .redis lab. Next you have to enter your username and password, and in database alias, my database is name as free-db. So whatever your database alias is in Redis, you have to enter that. So to check the database alias, you can just log into your Redis and check for what the database name is. So whatever the database name is, that should be coming over here. Now I will go to our app. Okay, I will create a new item. Suppose I create sofa. I will click on create new item. So I can see this is my item id, right? So I will go to our Redis Insight app. I will clear out the filter. I will click on refresh. Now to get the item, I will type items hash my item id, and you can see the item has been created. Now if I go to the back to the web page and click on refresh, I will go over here. I will click on refresh, close this, open it back again. Here you can see the views has been incremented by 4. Okay, I think the views were 2 and then it incremented by 4 because of the re-render in React. So it kind of re-renders, and that's why the re-rendering is causing some issue, but I think that is okay. At least we are getting what we expected. Of course the views are incremented by 2, which should not be happen, but you are getting my point, right? And also we have another created another key. So if you check for items colon views, so go to your app, search for item colon views, and here you can see the sorted set. So I have this, the first item is for my testing. Sorry, the second item, this item was I was testing it previously before creating, but here you can see the score is 4. Now if I refresh it back again, it should be 5 or 6, I guess. I will refresh this. Okay, here you can see the score has been like incremented to 6. Like it should have been 5, but I think it's because of the re-rendering issue in React. So I might have done something, like I can fix this re-rendering issue somehow. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.